Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about all the ways that you can extend support for your Windows 10 operating system, and I have prepared some slides, so let's start. So Microsoft officially ended the support for Windows 10 on October 14, 2025, and after this date, Windows 10 will no longer receive free updates. But Microsoft does offer extended security updates, and for that to work, you do have to have Windows 10 version 22H2. So first, I want to talk about users that are outside of European Union. And in the next slide, I'll go more into details what EA is, but for now, just people that are outside of European Union, they have three ways to extend the support. First one is free with Windows Backup. You do have to have Microsoft account, you have to sign in, and then you need to sync settings to OneDrive. Now, syncing settings, that's basically Microsoft Windows configuration. Your desktop background, Wi-Fi, passwords, the way you have configured File Explorer, for example, your keyboard layout, your time zone, so those types of settings. So don't be alarmed or think that they will be syncing your data, your pictures, documents, or stuff. It's only syncing the configuration settings of Windows. The second option is by redeeming Microsoft Rewards. And you can see more details about that on rewards.bing.com, but using your Microsoft account, if you have 1,000 points, you will get 1 year of extended support. The third option is you can pay $30 per device and you will be getting the extended support. So let's go now through EEA, which is European Economic Area. And that includes European Union countries, plus Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway. So residents in these countries, they can automatically be eligible for free updates, no backups or rewards are needed. But you do have to have Microsoft account and you have to re-authenticate every 60 days, which would mean that you have to be logged in with your Microsoft account at least once during 60 days. And here is an overview table of differences between EA users and non-EA users. So let's go through this. So it's free for both, but for non-EA users, there are some conditions. Microsoft account is required for both, but the differences are here. Windows backup on OneDrive. So backing up those settings, EA users do not have to do that, while for EA users, is required. Microsoft Reward Program is also not required, but it's optional for EA users. Then we have paid options, which is available for both, and both have to re-authenticate every 60 days. Now let's go through how are the points calculated. If you're using Bing searches on your PC, you can get up to 150 points per day. If you're using Bing searches on mobile or tablet, you can get up to 100 points per day. If you're using Microsoft Edge browsing, then you will be getting additional bonus points. Then you have daily quizzes and offers, and that varies from 10 to 50 points per activity. There is also Microsoft Store purchases. So for every spent dollar, you can get from 1 to 20 points, but it varies. And the last one is Xbox Game Pass. And that also varies, and there are also like different levels. But for more information and to see how much points do you have, you can go to rewards.bing.com. So when it comes to organizations, there are Enterprise and Education editions of Windows 10. And they can get updates up to 3 years, which is till October 2028. They are managed by Microsoft Volume Licensing, and prices are as follows. So for the first year is $61, for the second year is $122, and for the third year is $244, which basically means that each year the price doubles. Now let's go through some of the limitations. Microsoft won't offer any new features on your Windows 10 operating system, so there will be no new functionalities, design changes, or even performance improvements. There will be no general support from Microsoft, which means that Microsoft won't offer you any technical support. And next would be only critical and important security patches, which means extended security updates are only for security patches, security updates. And the last one I have included in the list is Windows 10 version 22H2. It's important to understand that to be eligible to get extended support, you do have to have Windows 10 version 22H2. So right now I'm in my virtual lab, and I'm going to show you the way you can extend your Windows 10 machine. So first thing is, we go to Start, Settings, under System, we go to About, and here at the bottom we see Windows Specifications, Windows 10 Pro, and the version is 22H2. And this is the version you need to have, 22H2. Now we go back, we can go to Updates and Security, and now we get a message, your version of Windows has reached the end of support. Now if you don't see this message, means that you haven't updated to the latest free updates that Microsoft offers that were on October 14. So the latest free updates Microsoft released were on October 14. After you update to that latest updates or free updates, you will see this message. Now if you look below that, we can see that here is the Enroll in Extended Security Updates. So let's click Enroll Now. And here we got additional message about Windows end of support and extended security updates. So we can click Next, and this is where you're gonna need your Microsoft account or Microsoft email, which is Outlook or Hotmail, whichever you have. And here I'm gonna use my demo email just for this purpose. Copy, paste my password, sign in. Now you can see that at this device to receive extended security updates, and it says that valid until October 13. So I'm just gonna click Add Device, and now it's enrolling me to get the extended security updates. And that was it. This is one of the ways you can extend the security updates. Okay, there is one more thing I want to show you, and that is that you might get a little bit of a different menu. So I pull up this from official Microsoft website, and you can see when you are logging in with your Microsoft account that you might get back up your PC settings, redeem Microsoft Reward points, or one-time purchase. So you can, to get free, you just go back up your PC settings, go Next, and it will guide you through this whole setup, which is only a few clicks and it should be very simple. Okay, that was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching.